You can build a personal brand without leaking your age, especially in fintech, crypto, and finance. The strategy is simple: build in private, learn in public. Today I will show you a complete content system for high trust industries. You will learn what to share, what to protect, and how to grow your reputation without risking your projects or your partners. Hello friends, Hervé here. Welcome back to Mandesla YouTube channel. I am a solo operator building in crypto and fintech from Switzerland. And I have spent the last year figuring out how to grow a personal brand while protecting my projects, my partners, and my future optionality. If you're building in fintech, crypto, finance, or any high trust industry, this system will help you share valuable content without making costly mistakes. In fintech and finance, reputation compounds fast, but one careless post can create noise with partners, compliance with teams, or future investors. In Switzerland, where I'm based, this is especially true. So the goal is not to be silent, the goal is to be useful without being reckless. That's why the typical post everything version of build in public doesn't work in high trust industries. In the typical internet version of build in public, you post everything: roadmaps, screenshots, metrics, partner names. That works great on consumer apps, but in finance and fintech, that can hurt you. People want discretion, partners expect privacy, compliance teams need control, and you don't want a casual LinkedIn post to create confusion with regulators or future investors. Your audience may love details, but your future partners may not. Here is the shift. I don't share everything I'm doing. I share everything I'm learning. Learning is timeless. Learning doesn't name partners. Learning doesn't expose a roadmap. And learning is what people actually want. Principle they can reuse. Here are 5 content pillars that are safe and valuable. Number 1, founder operating systems, focus, routines, decision makings. Number 2, tech craft, reliability, architecture principles, tooling kept abstract. Number 3, finance mindset, risk, incentives, long-term thinking. Number 4, industry and location insights, culture, ecosystem, work environment. For me, that's Zurich and Zug. And number 5, lessons learned, mistakes and how you solve them, but only after they are resolved. Notice what's missing: no sensitive product details, no partner names, no metric. And each pillar can generate content for years without leaking your age. I use a simple traffic light filter. Green, always save things that I can share anytime. So principles, processes, routines, general lessons. So how you think, not what you ship. Yellow, things that you should be sharing carefully. So screenshots with blur, timelines, broad terms, high-level architecture, anonymized stories. And red, things that you shouldn't be sharing. So things like partner names, customer details, performance metrics, legal compliance, interpretations, things that could embarrass a future partner. Here is my rule. If I wouldn't say it in a room with a future partner, I won't say it on the internet. This makes content easy and it keeps trust intact. Let's make this practical. Here is the cadence I'm using right now, and you can adapt it to your own situation. For example, on LinkedIn, I post every Monday and Wednesday about Rugira, which is my non-custodial automation trading platform. I post it on my personal page and then on the Rugira company page. That's LinkedIn. It's purely organic reach. And that same post goes also to X. On top of that, after any event I participate in, I post a recap on LinkedIn the same evening or the very next morning. That happens about once a week, and go on X as well. And on YouTube here, I publish one long video per week. It can be an event, a tech topic, or a product review. I'm not posting YouTube shorts right now. I want the algorithm to understand that this is a long form channel. This is not about doing everything. It's about doing a few things consistently for months. Now let me show you the Notion system that makes this cadence easy. I keep it simple. Content calendar, a backlog of ideas, traffic light tag, and a publishing checklist. When I have an idea, I capture it in 10 seconds. When it's time to write, I already have a skeleton. And because I'm posting organic, consistency matters more than perfection. Instead of saying we launched feature X, I say we improved reliability. We reduced failures modes. We made the system easier to operate. Things like that. Instead of naming partners, I talk about the type of conversation, institutional expectations, risk controls, trust requirements, things like that. That keeps it useful for the audience and safe for the work. You can be specific about thinking. You just don't need to be specific about names. Here are 10 safe video ideas you can steal and try them on your site. Number 1, how I plan my week without showing my roadmap. Number 2, my decision-making checklist. Number 3, reliability habits that changed my engineering work. Number 4, how I write specs that reduce misunderstandings. Number 5, how I choose what not to build. Number 6, risk management for founders, so mentally and financially. Number 7, how I run stakeholder updates without oversharing. Number 8, how I learn, books, notes, and synthesis. Number 9, Zurich Zug founder lifestyle, where I work and why. Number 10, postmortems, what I would do differently after it's resolved. If you can explain it without screenshots and without names, it's usually green. If you're building in fintech, crypto, finance, or any high trust industry, this system gives you a way to grow your brand without leaking your age. You can build in private and learn in public. If this helped, subscribe and share it with a founder who needs to hear this. And tell me, what's your line between public and private? And thanks again for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.
I don't know, like I'm Bango, cutting my hair. I just keep going though, 소식 건널 믿고 I fly non-stop. Kelly is to New York, 구름 위로